Hi, welcome to Holistic Mojo. I'm Sahara Lee, and today we are making a face scrub. Now, this particular face scrub can be used on any skin type, and it can also be used on gentlemen with beards. So feel free to scrub all of that bacteria out of your beard with this. So what you're gonna need, some baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate if you are outside of the United States. You're gonna need a jar. This is a 4-ounce jar that I'm using today. Bottled water. You need bottled water because that way you know that there's absolutely no bacteria in it. And then whatever essential oils you plan on using. I'm gonna use 3 different oils today. I'm gonna use a main oil of tea tree because it's great for the skin. It's also antibacterial, antimicrobial. I'm gonna use some lavender, again, for its antibacterial, antimicrobial aspects, but also because it's very cooling for the skin. And then I'm just gonna use a single drop of lemon. So lemon is awesome for the skin, but it also makes your skin more photosensitive. So if you're going out in the sun, you'll burn easier, which is why I just use a very small amount of it. Probably not something you want to use the day that you're gonna go and spend 8 hours out in the sun. And in general, I always suggest that people do their scrubs, both body and face, in the evening so that the body has time to assimilate all of that sloughing that just happened and go ahead and rejuvenate without you touching your face and kissing kids and getting bacteria all over the place. So do it at night and you shouldn't have an issue. So what you're gonna do is you're going to grab your jar. I've already got some baking soda in my jar because you want to have it about, put a little less than half in there, and then put your essential oils in because you're going to shake everything up. So 4-ounce jar of baking soda, I'm going to use about 10 drops, I would say, of tea tree. So you go ahead and put your drops in. Bum, bum. And then for lavender, I'm going to use about 5 drops. So again, it goes in. And lemon, just 1. So you want to make sure you have really high quality oil. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Really high quality oil because you're using it on your skin. So the companies that I use, my 2 go-to swear-by brands are Mountain Rose Herbs, which is also great for herbs, spices, jars, all sorts of stuff. They are like the #1 company that I use. And then Floricopia. Highly recommend these companies. They really know what they're doing. They're focused on just making medicine and not selling medicine, which I think is really important when it comes to essential oil companies because there's a lot out there that are just out to make a buck and their oils are not the best quality. But these I literally swear by. I've never found an oil that I don't like from them. So in the jar it went. You're gonna just shake it up. So we're doing this so that the oil gets, the essential oil gets mixed really well in there. Also gives you a chance to smell it. It smells awesome. You want to make sure it's pleasant to your nose. If it's too intense now, you know it's going to be too intense on your skin. So everybody's a little bit different as to how much scent you really enjoy. You want it to be enjoyable. So I've got a little less than half, and I'm just gonna take my baking soda and put it into the jar. And I'm gonna fill it up. It's not quite there yet, but I'm gonna go right up to this rim here, this first rim. So I'm leaving a little bit of space because I gotta put the water in. And I also want a little bit of space because I'm gonna have to shake it again to mix everything in. So there we go. We're up to that rim. Lid on. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Okay, so that is a much more calm scent because we've added stuff to it. All right, now we go bottled water. And this is just kind of eyeballing it. You're gonna put some water in. So slowly, it'll start to seep down. I didn't put a ton. And then I'm just gonna stir it. So it's gonna make a paste. Make sure you get all of the little nooks and crannies at the bottom. Really turn everything over. So you can see kind of a really wet paste right now. And I want it to be a little bit more dry. So that's also why you leave some space. Put a little more baking soda in there. Stir it up. The more dry the paste, the more abrasive it's going to be on the skin. So if you tend to like your skin a little more scrub-a-dub-dubbed, you can go a little more dry. If you have really sensitive skin and you want to have a little bit less of an abrasive action, you're gonna have a little bit more water. You can also add a little bit of oil into this, like a coconut or a sesame. Coconut's gonna be cooling, sesame is gonna be warming. Okay, so that's like a perfect consistency for me. It looks a little bit like sorbet, I guess you would say. It has that sorbet consistency. And that's it. Test it out, feel it on your fingers. How does it feel? You don't want a really, really abrasive powder because you're gonna be using it on your face. And that's it. Boom. Christmas gifts all around. Super easy, all natural, and adjustable for your body. So, you know, if you want a little more scent or a little less scent, if you find that your skin tends to be sensitive, you can start off with less essential oils and build up as to what feels good to you. But really, in a 4-ounce jar, I would say you never want to go more than 20 drops. Yeah, definitely no more than 20 drops in a 4-ounce jar. But yeah, play around, start small with the oils, and just make sure that your skin really likes it. So just, you know, find a little spot on your neck behind your ear, test it out, make sure that your body's fine with it, and then just play. All right, enjoy.